Hey guys, I'm EthAnswers from Stockholm Supply, and today I'm going to show you how to attach the angle base or the little ripper to the angle base two different ways. Now this angle base is used to allow you, well, it allows you to put the little ripper on an angle anywhere from 0 all the way to 90. So normally used to cut cookies and things like that off the end of a log. I'll link a video up top here so you can see how that works, but I'm going to show you how to attach the little ripper to the angle base. There's two different ways you can do it. The most common way, what most guys are going to do, is leave these two outside rails on there and attach the little ripper just like that. But you can also remove those rails and attach the ripper flat like that, which offers a couple advantages and disadvantages both ways here. But the first thing you got to do, regardless of how you're attaching it, you got to remove the center rail. So let me pop that off real quick here. All right. So then what we'll do is we will set the little ripper on the angle base like this. And what's going to happen, if you look at the hardware package, I've already opened it up here, but you're going to have two longer bolts right there and two shorter bolts. We are going to use the longer bolts because we haven't removed those rails. So maybe I should take this off so you can see a little better. We are going to slide these longer bolts, one second here, up through the bottom and right to the end here. And we'll kind of capture it underneath that one guide, and that will stay in place there. And we'll do the same thing on this side, slide her up in, and it can stay right there. Okay, now the little ripper, these two slots should line up right like that. And it's really simple from here. Just throw a washer on top and a wing nut. Again. Okay, we'll throw that wing nut on the back here. So right now, if I do it one more time, I'm redoing this video. Okay, we got her attached. So once we got those wing nuts in there, right now when I have it straight, I'm using the little ripper just kind of like it always works, just straight with the blade here. But what I do then is I can tilt these here. And sometimes you have to help these bolts along a little bit. But any angle from 0 to 90, and you can see there's some engravings there that you can line the little ripper up with. Now, this is how you set it up with the guides on the bottom. Now, if you look there, you can see those guides add about a 3/8 of an inch of height to the little ripper itself. So in total, you're actually losing a fair amount of cutting capacity on your bandsaw by having those extra rails there. So probably over an inch when it's all said and done here. If I remove those rails and you want to kind of permanently set it on the angle base, you absolutely can. It's the exact same process, but you'll remove those guides first, and that will sit directly in the track there. And the advantage here is you lose less cutting capacity when you have it set up like that. So it'll move back and forth just like the other one would here, and you can line it up to a line and lock it in place. But yeah, there's two different ways you can set it up. Most guys, because they will use the little ripper for other things, they will set it up like this with the rail guides left on the bottom. So yeah, if anybody else has any questions, you can email me at info@stockholmsupply.com or just comment on the video. Thanks for watching.